If you have an AEG dishwasher and it is not filling with water, you may have this problem. If you have checked the water inlet valve and the strainer on the hose for clogs, and the dishwasher still does not fill with water, you can check the water level vacuum valve. Open the cover on the right side. There are only 5 screws to unscrew, 2 in front, 1 on top and 2 in the back. This is the dishwasher's water level vacuum valve. It is not necessarily broken and needs to be replaced. Sometimes, after a long period of non-use of the appliance, the flap inside can stick. Check before replacing it with a new one. Remove the valve and disconnect the vacuum hose, and blow and suck into the valve until you feel the valve inside move. In this case, this worked, and the dishwasher started filling normally with water and working normally again.